Create sample Numpy array with randomly placed NaNs. For testing purposes, I'd like to create a m by n Numpy array with c randomly placed NaNs. I am having problems in creating a mask with c true elements, or maybe this can be done with indices directly.
You can use np.random.choice with the optional replace equals false for random selection without replacement and use those on a flattened version of A, done with .ravel, like so. Sample run.
You could use np.random.shuffle on a new array to create your mask. Which gives
If you want to settle it out, please into this sign.